Have you ever been alone at night, hearing strange sounds that make your skin crawl? Well, what I'm about to tell you is a true story that still gives me chills. Are you ready? Let's dive into the strange sounds in the dead of night. It all started a few months ago when I moved into an old, creaky house on the outskirts of town. At first, I thought it was just the house settling, nothing unusual. But as the nights went on, things started to get strange. One night, around midnight, I was lying in bed when I heard soft, whispering sounds coming from the hallway. I thought maybe it was the wind, but the whispers seemed to be calling my name. I shrugged it off and tried to fall asleep, but then the scratching began light at first, like claws on wood, then gradually growing louder. Curious and a little scared, I grabbed my flashlight and decided to investigate. I tiptoed down the hallway, trying not to make a sound. As I reached the staircase, I hesitated, but my curiosity got the better of me. I slowly descended into the basement. The air was icy cold, and the only light was my flickering flashlight. Suddenly, I saw a faint glow from the corner of the room. As I approached, I saw an old, dusty mirror leaning against the wall, but the reflection wasn't my own. Instead, I saw a shadowy figure standing behind me, tall, faceless, and motionless. My heart pounded in my chest. I spun around, but there was nothing there. When I looked back at the mirror, the figure was gone. The whispers stopped, and everything fell silent. I ran back upstairs, trembling, and didn't go near the basement again. That night, I couldn't sleep. I kept wondering, what was that figure? Was it a spirit trapped in the house? Or something else entirely? To this day, I still hear faint sounds in the dead of night, and I never go into that basement alone anymore. Sometimes, the scariest things are the ones we can't see or explain. Do you believe in spirits or supernatural beings? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more stories that will keep you up at night, and share your own spooky experiences in the comments. Who knows, maybe your story will be next.